my complete KFC. We've got the gravy, and in her little box we have got the chips, we have got the all recipe chicken, and we have got a zinger burger. Can't believe I've done it. Literally can't believe I've done it. I'm impressed. I found a recipe for the original recipe chicken, and then I'm also going to make the gravy as well, because gravy is just like, it could work, it might not work. I'm literally going to follow the recipe that I found online and put it to the test. So I hope you guys enjoy. We're going to start off by making the seasoning for the chicken. So I've got all the different things here. There is actually a lot of items going in this. I genuinely didn't think there was going to be this much. First of all, we're going to go in with our flour. Now some of these are American measurements. Flour is in, and now we need to add some brown sugar. I also need to add some salt, paprika. Then we need onion salt. Where is my onion salt? Next up, we need chili powder. Oh gosh, I bought hot chili powder, so here we go. We're gonna make hot wings now. Half a teaspoon of celery salt, garlic powder, oregano, basil, and then I also need to put in some black pepper. Okay, here is the mixture. Let's give it all a mix, and then I need to start coating my chicken. Crack the egg on its side like this, and then just to keep moving back and forth. Oh my gosh, did it first time. I know it seems so simple, but I was just really worried that I wasn't going to be able to do it. I am going to take the chicken, and then I'm just going to coat it lightly. That wasn't lightly, I ended up dropping the whole thing in. And then I'm just going to put it in the flour mixture and just completely coat it like this. We can then pop it in the frying pan where I'm going to fry it. The chicken is all coated. It is now about to go into the oven for 25 minutes. And whilst this is cooking in the oven, we can actually make the gravy. So it says that I need to dilute the beef and chicken cubes in water and put butter in it and let the butter melt on low heat. Butter is now in the pan melting. And then I'm going to dilute my beef and my chicken cubes. While that is going fast, let's turn that down. Next up, we have got our chicken oxo cube, and I'm going to use one chicken one and I am going to use one beef one. And I've got to let these two dilate in the water. Not dilate, dilute. 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Right, now I've got to continuously stir this so it doesn't stick to the pan. Before I get the chicken out, here is my station. I've got a little pot for my gravy. I've got my box. The gravy is simmering in there, and it's turned out amazingly. And it is time to get the chicken out. That is cooked to perfection. Let's put that little bit of chicken there, here. Finish off the burger. We are one item down. Here is our completed zinger burger. Let's not forget our homemade gravy at the back here. Here is my complete KFC. We've got the gravy, and in her little box we have got the chips, we have got the all recipe chicken, and we have got a zinger burger. Now, I don't know about you, but I think it's time to give it a try. Tastes like a zinger burger. I'm quite shocked at myself. I'm getting better at cooking. You know what? They can stay shut for a while. I'll carry on making my own.